I've seen beyond the ocean, I've sailed beyond the breeze, I've tunneled through the mountains and climbed above the trees. With a fork in my mouth and the wind in my ears, I've seen past now, I've looked beyond here. I've seen rivers in the sun and sand dunes in the sky, fire in the black of night and lightning in the sea. With thunder in my feet and water in my eyes, I've been past here, beyond this time. There's a soft rain coming, gonna lift you away. It's warm and gentle and free. I don't know where it comes from, I don't know where it goes. It seeps between the cracks and on it flows. It seeps between the cracks and on it flows. I've seen dolphins in the river and cows within the sea. I've seen dragons in the wide flat lands and swordfish in the trees. In the late dark of night and the early light of day, I've seen grey clouds sweeping in from the bay. I've seen the land of flame, bleeding lava from the ground, seen great apes stand upright and cities melt without a sound. With sparks in the grass and embers in the air, I've seen past now, I've looked beyond there. There's a soft rain coming, gonna lift me away. It's warm and gentle and free. I don't know where it comes from, I don't know where it goes. It seeps between the cracks and on it flows. There's a hard rain coming, gonna lift you and me. It's cold, it's gentle, and it's free. I don't know where it comes from, I don't know where it goes. It seeps between the cracks and on it flows. I don't know where it comes from, I don't know where it goes. It seeps between the cracks and on it flows. I've seen beyond the ocean,